Minister, welcome back together with your Foreign Affairs Minister. Good evening, everyone. I've got three questions. Firstly, given all this lawlessness in the country, are you considering to have the parliament recalled and discuss some of the issues that we are facing?
On your first question, Parliament is sitting in the end of November, so there's no need for us to recall. The next 3 weeks, we'll be preparing budget, we'll be preparing the state of emergency instruments and other bills that we need to prepare in November, and we will go in, get the business retired with in November and adjourn for Christmas. So there's no need to recall Parliament earlier. We will work this through. In between, in the context of the issues in Enga province and elsewhere, the Police Commissioner and Police Minister has been directed to make sure they put their pulses on this one. If it needs to be for us to give another 21 more days of state of emergency to give coverage to the policemen, and Cabinet this week will look into this matter. So if 21 days could take us to Parliament sitting, and Parliament then can give a state of emergency that gives the 3 months that I was alluding to earlier.
From the information that I'm getting from Enga, most of these problems are politics related. You, as the Prime Minister of this country, you're thinking of meeting all these political leaders and let them, iron out their issues and then put the province first.
On your issue on consultations of leaders, I've reached out to them, and so leaders from Enga province have been asked to come and have a meet with Governor Iparas and all of us. Much of these issues on the ground also relates to issues that could be met by local leadership coming to work. Not just the elected leadership at the National Parliament, but from the floor up, the councillors. We're paying councillors now for the first time. No government has ever paid the councillors. And I ask the councillors to do their job, even if you, in this day and age when young people are not willing to listen to the councillors, for the councillors and village court people to note who are offenders of law. Because there'll be a time in which police will still come to them. I give you an example from my own electorate. Those who have records of murdering people slowly have been arrested one by one. Not directly, but one by one, and we have a crowd of criminals right now in jail being prosecuted as we speak. And so there's no place to hide in this country. Eventually the arms of law will catch up with you. So the councillors, you talk and they don't listen to you, make a notation of those who are committing this crime. And under the current new bill that is coming up, police will have the outreach and power to do many things. And once the law is finally passed, we will announce to the country what the police can do. And that, in my view, that law gives police greater power, not to harm lawful citizens, but those who are breaking laws. Police Intel right now has been compiling reports on those in Enga province, those in Hela, those in Southern Highlands, who have been known to hold gun and known to be causing problems in and amidst those societies. So leadership, in as far as national leadership from the provinces will be asked for us to meet, and they all inbox me in one way or another. Even, for instance, the Honorable Amos Akem from the opposition bench does inbox me in matters of issues that face up there in his district and the adjacent district. And we've been, in terms of matters that are of interest to all of us, we've been working together to assist. So I will give a time for the leadership in the province to come together as we discuss what they feel must be done. Governor Iparas has always been clear on these issues. He's got a very strong view on them. He feels that in the presence of gun prevalence, police must make arrests. And it's a rightful call he's doing. We don't send police up there to be community liaison officers. They must make arrests. And the common feedback we get from police is that their lives are endangered and they're in the face of danger. Well, we're now giving them that special protection. I don't know whether I've informed the country already, but there's a special police force too being prepared for special operation. They have an anti-terrorism outlook to them. Training going on as I speak in Bomana as well as in Brisbane for the special force. So, we're not playing up in this matter. This left untreated will affect our country's security, and so we're treating this as terrorism and terrorism on civilians and terrorism on national interest, terrorism on our country's interest. So our special policy is being pulled together to deal with those who feel that they have gun and they could fight against state. Rather, the state must eliminate this from our midst. So the leadership of the province will be met to inform also on our intention for state of emergency, as well as these operations. It will not be done in isolation. They'll be consulted, their views will be inputted into what we want to do, so that together we have a handle on this one. Sometimes we all have our own interests, but our national interests and our collective interests supersedes, in my view, our personal interest in this matter.
We will stop here. Member of public, you papa mama, you want good la man lo community na you know say like him fight, you know la say like him always la presence lo gun na cartridge stuff in lo community. Now by you supporting me na give me information lo me now. And by tomorrow by me launch him of la emergency number lo Pogra station. This is the time now by me launching the Toksavelo or Manos, and you can give me information. So me appeal on you. So was you thinking long Pogra Pila and future blow you and bless blow you? Now this is something all snake no good me talk illegal stockpile blong or illegal weapons one time all ammunition is stop inside by background future blow you mean the background in mind. Okay, now me come now government telling me come now. Me too blow here. So me like him now, me like take ownership, rouse him all this something so. Policeman is stopping this, army stopping this, or people force them stopping this. Me prepared to go outside like rouse him all this like gun so. Now me like him, you supporting me, you giving me information. Tomorrow by me put him number, go long out. As soon as mix him number, telecom, this is give me on number, finish now by me put him go out so. Now me la talk so you pla. You ready long giving me information long whatever all this like illegal gun or ammunition we stop where will stop lo here lo Pogra Pila or stop lo Tari or stop lo Lagam or whatever all stop long and you but talk savalo me. You talk savalo me because this la employ you me save in future blow this la Pogra Pila. So you want man Pogra, you want man Pila, you all him this something stop. You don't need to hold him stop because then Bagra remember Bagra future and the pigni blue. So now you, time me stop, you must give me information, hurry up. Now walk below me logo, rouse it. Thank you, Lauren.